Hey y'all, it's Julie the Tutor. I got some heparin problems for you. You ready? All right, the order is for heparin 2,000 units per hour. And available, you got 25,000 units in 1,000 milliliters. Who wants it going at 2,000 units? I don't. I'm sure you don't. We don't care what it goes at. The doctor wants that. So this is a dose order over a dose on hand. What he wants is 2,000 units. Okay? What do I have that's units? We got 25,000 units. I'm going to put that comma. How does the 25,000 come? In 1,000 milliliters. Okay. So if they want to see your work, tell Ethel or Elrod, put their glasses on and look right here. And this fraction says 2,000 divided by 2,500. 2, 1, 2, 3. See how I do that? Divided by 2, 5, 1, 2, 3 equals times 1, 1, 2, 3. And they got to get 80 what? Whatever you typed right there. Milliliters per hour. Look, boom. We saved him. Let's do another one. So the order is for heparin 1,800 units per hour. And available, we got 25,250. Who wants that? That's right, Mr. Maine. So what he wants is 1,800 units. And what we have, 25,000 units. And look, I'd write the word out just so Ethel doesn't get her bloomers in a twist. And how does the 25,000 come? In 250 milliliters. And so here we go. Doing this math, 1,800 divided by 2,5,1,2,3 times 250 equals, look, it should be going at 18 milliliters per hour. Look, boom. Sure enough, it is 18 milliliters an hour. You see that? You like that? Okay. All right, calm down, calm down. So look at this one. The order is for heparin, 40,000 units in 500 milliliters. Now look, I need you to understand that this is the dose on hand. 40,000 units in a bag of 500 milliliters is what we have in our hand. To infuse at 30 milliliters an hour. Who wants that? Look, you don't. I know you don't. I don't. That's what Mr. Man wants. So even though it's milliliters, I want you to know if that's what they give you, you can use that. It's still a dose order over dose on hand. What's the dose ordered? 30 milliliters. What do I have that's milliliters? I got 500 milliliters. You see that? A ding light just went off in somebody's head. How does the 500 milliliters come? With 40,000 units. We're unit rich. Okay? So we've set up our problem. And we're going to do 30 divided by 500. Multiply it by 40,000. Get your calculator. Let's do it together. Divided by 500 equals times 40, 1, 2, 3. I used to not count my zeros, but when I started, I only had to work it one time. Units per hour, 24. Look, sure enough is. We saved another one. Okay. So we're going to do this one. This is the last one. So the order is for 1 liter of D5W with 15,000 units of heparin over 10 hours. Okay. So you know liters to milliliters. We got 1 liter. That's a whole number. If we're going liters to milliliters, we're going to move our decimal that away, and we know it's 1, 2, 3 times. So 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. And they want us, I mean, just work with me. They want to know the milliliters per hour. So to find that, all we need is the 1 liter, which is 1,000 milliliters. And we got to divide it by the hours. It's 10 hours. Because milliliter per hour, the formula is the total volume over your time in hours. So we're going to do 1,000 divided by 10. 1,000 divided by 10. And that's going to need to roll at 100 milliliters per hour. So Ethel wanted that. Look, boom. Grab her by the neck and dump. No, don't do that. They frown on that. And they want to know the units per hour. So it's going at 100 milliliters. So that's going to be our dose ordered. This is like the previous one with the extra step. He wants it going at 100 milliliters an hour. What do I have that's milliliters? I got 1 liter. And that's 1,000 milliliters. How does that come? With 15, 1, 2, 3 units in it. You see that? And then we're doing it 100 divided by 1,000 divided by 1 equals times 1, 5, 1, 2, 3. They're getting 1,500 units per hour. Look, boom. Sure enough did save another one. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. Y'all have a wonderful evening.